Hey everyone, I'm going to go ahead and do another little video of this bike. So, got this part here done. Got the fork on there. Let's see, then there, kind of see it there. Got that piece there in. That way it doesn't, extensions don't smack the frame. I took off the steering dampener. Did a little more research on it, and with the wheelbase that I'm running here and seeing how I'm not doing like 100 and something miles an hour, I don't think I'm gonna need a steering dampener, so I went ahead and took that off. I was having problems getting it just right now. I got it to the point where it would turn left and right, equally, but kind of cut down on how far over it'll turn left and right. So I was like, I'll just go ahead and not even bother with that. It's not really needed. Sure, it looks pretty and all that, but not needed. All right, so yesterday I went ahead and put in a support here and that support there. Have it welded all the way around. Well, almost around. It's like 3/4 around, I guess. So, got that in, that in. Same thing on the other side. Yep. And this bar right here, that one's going to go because the brake more than likely will go right there. Still not done with the frame here for the motor. These here, I'll cut those off. More than likely, I'll have to take that off as well. And I'm going to put some more tubing running all the way across on both sides. Got the battery compartment straightened out. I had to cut it and straighten it out, re-weld it. Now that's done. Let's see. Got the throttle in, got the handle grip. Let's see. Well, handle grips. Got the brakes, well, almost all of the brakes, but the master cylinder, the brake line runs all the way down over here. Got it hooked up to the caliper. I'm still waiting on the one of the hubs, and once I get that, then I'll do the measurements on it, the bolt spacing, and then dig up a rotor. Once I get the rotor and I get it mounted on there, then I'll go ahead and mount that. But I can't mount that until I get everything else. Do it backwards, and well, I'm going to be redoing it. So anyhow, so I got that done. Now, over here, I had to clean up. I mopped the floor and mopped all that. Got the motor. All right, so I have a billet aluminum flywheel on here. Now this flywheel was on my Trailmaster over there, and I figured, well, I'm going to put it on this one. So I swapped out the flywheels. Took everything off that was up here. Don't need it because, well, I got a nice carburetor. Very, very nice. Look at that. Ain't it pretty? Boy, those things just don't want to let go of that, huh? Nice carburetor. So anyhow, got that. I'll put that away later. Got that. I got some more parts coming for this. I'm going to go ahead and do a clutch. Can't remember the name of the clutch. You know that. Anyhow, it's one of the low-end racing clutches. Basically got it so I can get an idea of exactly where the chain needs to sit with it, because I'll probably end up getting more than likely the Bully clutch. The Bully, what is it called? Bully something. Anyhow, real good clutch. Not exactly cheap either, but then again, you know, it's all good. Now there's another one. It's called Normstar. Yeah, Normstar. Pretty good clutch from what I hear. Especially if you put in the blue springs. It comes with the red, but if you put in the blue springs, it works a lot better. But I might get that as well. I don't know. But the Bully, no, I definitely wouldn't mind having that. That's a really nice clutch, you know, racing clutch. So anyhow, got that over here. Got the split sprocket. I have the sprocket hub coming in pretty soon. Anytime now. Oh yeah, and the guards here, I still haven't put those on. And then this here, kind of like what I have on my Trailmaster. I always take off the pull start because, well, it just, you know, I just don't like them. I have a messed up shoulder, and it's I just, you know, pulling it, you know, and that it has electric start for a reason, you know. So I figured just to eliminate the pull start and take off that, put on that 8-inch rotor. It'll sit right up on here, and there we go. So far so good. Oh yeah, I also want to do a plate on here going across. I'll work on that later. You know, it's on my to-do list. I'll get it done. It's, you know, I'll get it done. So wanted to show you what I've been doing and all that. So there we go. Oh, and I'm thinking of painting the beast here. Yeah, probably like I don't know, maybe a blue, or, you know, probably not a red. You know, I never cared for the red. Maybe a blue, metallic blue, metal flaking or something. I don't know. But I was thinking about that. You know, it's a possibility. I'll see what happens. You know, so there we go. Wanted to show you guys. And there we are. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later.